Here you can hear the cicadas. Have a look here. You can see a whole bush, quite mature. These guys are about to fly. It's interesting. This bush, they're all about the same age. About to be able, well, maybe a few more hours. So they can't really fly. Oh, this one's wings are damaged. He's not going to go very far. Let's see this one here. How close he is to flying. You want to fly more? Really that good. Let's see this bush. Every bush in my yard here. These guys getting ready. They'll fly tonight probably. Quite ready. They're just everywhere. Maturing. So this bush here is quite a few empty nymph cases. So they literally break out of these shell things. They're all empty. Break out of these things. And then they crawl up and form. This one's forming. You can see the underbelly is where they make the sound from. It's kind of like a drum. This must probably be a male. And the females have some kind of a knife that they, after they mate, they cut a slit in the tree and lay their eggs in there. So these casings here. Wish I could see. See, they look like they're alive, but they're not. It's just a casing with a hole. One just flew here. He's probably getting ready. Woo! Yep, there he goes. See? Now he's gonna one on my leg. Gonna go up to the treetops. That's where they actually mate. The party starts way up into trees. Wow, look at this little. Whoop, there's Elsie. Hey. Look at this tree. It's getting demolished by these things. This is my one tree that's they really like. It's a sapling. They suck it. Look at this. Just suck this leaf. They don't hurt the big trees, but what do you think, Elsie? Lots of bugs to eat? Lots of bugs? Is that fun? Meow? Let's try to find one of those. One just landed on me. Right there. They're all over. Hey, mister. Not a good spot. Yeah, you're gonna get eaten by a kitty cat. Okay. They crawl up from the ground. Oh my God, look at down here. This is just all the casings everywhere on the edge. Just crawling around. They're in the grass everywhere. See? Crawling around. Come up from holes. They just come up from the ground, and there's holes all over. Can't really see any right now, but oh my gosh, look at all these casings. Oh, they're everywhere. Good eating for the birds, the squirrels, cats, foxes, eagles, hawks. It's a bonanza of protein for the food chain. So I bet all their babies are getting very well fed. We'll have to see if there's a spike in the whole animal population because of this. Well, that's a little bit of information about cicadas for today. Enjoy. Have a great Sunday.